back to the sawmill, guys. We're not going to be sawing any wood today, but I am excited to have this new power inverter or converter show up today, because now my thinking is I should be able to run this Woodland Mills blade sharpener for the sawmill off the 120 power outlet and just plug it in, rather than having to have a battery sitting around and running this 12 volt motor off a car battery or the mill battery, because if the battery isn't high enough power, this seems to run super slow, even worse than normal. So I just got this set up and hooked up. I've not tried it yet. So if one of you guys want to grab a fire extinguisher, we can plug this in and give it a try, because I have no idea what's going to happen. Here we go. Here goes nothing. Awesome. Everything's working perfectly as it should. Nothing exploded. I still have all my arms and legs, and nothing's on fire. This is going to be great. Now, this power converter on Amazon is $75. It's not a really cheap method to do this, but I thought it would be a better one. But I do have another method. Now, I was told this would work, and I also have not tried this yet, but I did go digging in the garbage somewhere and I found a 120 volt to output of 12 volt for a computer charger. And my thinking is, if other people are correct, I don't know whether they're giving me false information, they're just guessing, or this actually works, but I should be able to plug this in to the 120 outlet and get power on this end at 12 volts. So I am going to cut this end off, strip back the wires, and give it a try. So we leave the 120 side. I'm going to cut off the 12 volt side. Okay, simple cut there. Don't need this piece. Get that out of here. Strip these wires back a good ways. Okay, there's my two wires. And the plug on this side. Let's plug this in. Okay, we've got that plugged in. Now I should just be able to connect the negative clamp to the negative wire and the red clamp to the positive wire. Okay, here goes nothing. Here goes nothing, alright. That didn't work. So, either I did something wrong, which I doubt it because it's pretty simple. Plug it in. You got two wires on this end. One's positive, one's negative. Connect them up. Should be good to go. That ran just long enough to blow one of the fuses in one of these lines here. So far, what I heard, I should be able to just take any 120 to 12 volt computer charger and it would run this, and that is not true. So I'm glad I did spend the money and get this converter. For now, I'm going to say this computer charger does not work. Okay. Well, that's strange. I didn't realize this at first. Apparently it did not blow a fuse. It will run the blade advancer, but it only runs the grinding wheel for a second and then it shuts right off. So, for my use, I will not be using the computer charger method that I was told would work. I'm going to stick with the power converter box here, and that seems to work perfectly with plenty of power. The computer charger would have been a cheap, easy to get one for everybody. But all in all, I'm happy to not have to use a battery anymore, and since this sits right here by one of the plugs in the building, now we can just plug it in and go. No waiting for batteries to charge, no having to bring batteries in here. So I'll put a link below in the description for this box on Amazon. Like I said, it was $75, and that works very good. If one of you guys know or have an idea what I might have done wrong trying to use this, please let me know in the comments. Or if you've tried to use one of these and it didn't work for you, let me know. But I'm going to be putting this right back in the garbage where it belongs.